is an unexpected addition to my series of my 4-post lift experience. I did a previous video comparing and contrasting the BendPak lift tray and the Advantage lift tray here. And in all fairness, I think I kind of left it hanging, and I didn't do Advantage a fair deal, and I didn't do the viewers a fair deal by offering them a solution to the problem that I stated in that video. So in this video, I'm going to try to remedy that and share with you guys what I used as a solution to the problem, tell you what the problem was, and show you how I fixed it. So I'm going to bring you guys in to look over my shoulder. I'll show you a few measurements and what I did to make this lift tray more usable. Okay, as I stated last time when I did the compare and contrast video, these rings were coming off on the ends of these shafts that are supposed to hold these wheels on. So in measuring this inside portion on the shaft, it turned out to be 22 millimeters. So I went and I sized myself some replacements. But first I measured the existing rings that came with it. And as you can see, they're kind of warped, they're bent. They're actually thinner than the ones that I originally, the ones that I got to replace it with. And these new ones are stainless steel. These original ones are not stainless steel. These are like mild spring steel or something. And they're all bent up. So I think whoever put these on specified the wrong size, because these measure about 23.5 to 24 millimeters inside diameter. This is 22 millimeters. Okay, this slot is 22 millimeters. And these new stainless steel ones that I selected, they're M24s, have an inside diameter of 22 millimeters, 22.08, 22.09, 22.01. Basically 22.0 inside diameter on all of them, including this one. When I put these on the end of the shafts, they hold the wheels on perfectly. They don't come off. The stainless steel is a stronger material. These clips, as I stated earlier, are a little bit thicker. So I'm very happy with the solution. And I'm using Redline synthetic grease on the shaft tips to lubricate where the wheels roll. And it works fine. You know, I bought this set of circle clips on Amazon for like 12 bucks. Okay, and here's the M24s right here. It's the best solution, I think, and it makes the lift tray all safer. Granted, I had said that I was not going to use it for lifting the vehicle. Now I may. But even if you don't use it for the vehicle, I don't want it falling off the lift when I'm using it to hold my tools. I certainly don't want it to fall off the lift when I have it holding 2 large containers of oil. So I just went and looked at the different dimensions, figured out how I could solve this problem, and I decided to share that with you. So I hope this helps. I'd hate to discourage someone from purchasing this lift tray based on the fact that these rings, for whatever reason, I don't know what happened, they weren't specified correctly. They were bent, tweaked. They're just not the right size. Okay? And they're not the right material. They're not strong enough for this application. But the lift tray, outside of that, is absolutely excellent. I love it. I recommend it. It's a really good tray. No Advantage lifts have not contacted me or endorsed me or anyway. I paid 100% full price for this. In fact, it was like 300 something bucks when I got it. I think they're like $211 now. So this is my opinion. This is my solution. And even though I said I came down hard on them last time, I think I'm going to come down a little bit harder this time, because this kind of a mistake from a company this big in an application that's this important is completely inexcusable. I think this is just negligent beyond, I don't even want to talk because I'll say something wrong. I'm irritated with this issue. They need to fix it. They've been making this lift tray long enough to have fixed this. Somebody needs to look at this, remeasure, respecify, and get the right clips on there so somebody doesn't get hurt with this stupid tray. Anyway, that's my review. Update 4.5 out of 6. 5 is coming up. I think I'm going to do that later on today also. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching and have a good day.